Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day, anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. So welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, we're here and we ain't no faker. Yes, guys, so give thanks. I will thank you guys so much. You know, thank to our wonderful, lovely extended family. We thank you so much. You know, we give thanks. So blessed love, guys. So as I mentioned, we all appreciate each and every one. You know, thank you guys. I thank the viewers them. You know, I thank the ones that have been subscribed because your views still count. You know, thank you same way. We even thank the naysayers them same way because we are in their minds, so the thoughts still count. You know, I know the one that show love and positivity. That's straight all the time. You know, so there's nothing but love and love alone. You know, guys, I'm gonna say this program is a positive program. We're trying to keep it positive. You know, so we cannot stop anyone with a negative sometimes because we realize that people dwell in negativity. You know, so that's their niche. You understand? Our niche is being positive and showing love. So toodles to the one them that like to show that negativity, but we here, we stand for righteousness and righteousness only. So it's either stand for something or you will literally fall for anything. So I don't decide to fall for anything, so I stand for something. So I know I'll always be doing that something. So never change. My heart never change. So blessed love, same way. So yes, guys. So today we're gonna get Esther is gonna give Cranberry them, you know, a treat, you know, because she never get to bring any stuff for them like what she bring for liquor man. So she decides that alright, then she's just gonna take them out, you know, to go and get something, you know, to eat. Take them to somewhere that they probably like, you know. So that is the plan today, you know. So before that plan, you know, execute, I have to make sure that my engine, my tank is well filled up, you know. So I'm gonna pass by Ivo Spice and get something to eat, you know, and then I'll be on my way to go and pick up Esther and then pick up the kids them, and then we head on to where we're going, you know. So but first I'm heading down into town. I can see that juice man, get a natural juice, you know. I will feel like to get my natural juice from him as well too, and probably get a couple to put in my fridge also, you know, because my fridge run out, you know, so I have to get some more to stack up. I know Sister Felly is here, so she's diving into them too. You, Miss Felly, yeah, diving at the juice them. So yes, I'm saying juice them is natural, you know, there's no water added. You know, him use the cane juice, you know, to sweeten whatever fruit he's using, you know. So trust me, it's a really good taste, you know, natural. So that's where I'm heading now, and then after Ivo Spice, then Esther, then Cranberry, then the spot, you know. So guys, please, you know, we always say sometimes, please keep it mindful, keep it positive, but it seems like the more we say it, the more people literally get negative. So we cannot do more than, we cannot help them, you know. So we're not here to change anyone, you know. We never came here to change anyone, but we always can give our advice, and it's up to anyone to follow that direction. So it's always good to be an example more than to try to set the example if you're not being an example. So that's the way sometimes to life. You have to be the example, you know, because if you're setting the example and you're not being the example, what sense does that make, you know? So you have to decide. You have to decide. So it's either you show love or you show hate, you know, but we still appreciate. So blessed love, guys. So get into the juice man. The next step, juice man. So blessed love.
Want the chip?
Yeah. Joshua. All is well.
When you pick me up, you become popular overnight now.
He's like popular overnight.
Go to the town and people say, oh, chicken juice man are the best chicken juice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you have to appreciate them, you know, so pick them up, man. So pick up the people that pass through.
Give a thanks, man, you know?
Yeah. I appreciate, you know, the thing goes, the natural juice.
Yeah.
That's what the natural juice is.
Yeah.
Original KM juice, man.
Jelly water too.
And the
jelly.
jelly.
If you want the jelly, nowhere to find it.
Just bring them buckle
Yeah.
and then get it all filled.
Sometimes we have butter too, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, man, cause look at jellies. The whole heap of jelly I chop all day.
Increase the customer bill by yeah, man, you come and plug and get
Them say, Rasta man, I say?
10 new customers. You must have plugged.
Oh.
And then we get 10 new customers, consistent. And when I customer them come this morning and buy 5 buckle of beetroot.
Yeah. See, I hope them not buy up all the beetroot though.
Yeah.
Them left any for me?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Buy up.
Guys, so we thank you so much for passing through, you know, showing the love. Get the natural juice. Juicy. I have the natural juice, you know, the thing is no water added or cane juice on the fruit, you know, so.
I'm a big fan of it.
I'm here to get some as well for myself. And then head to Ivor's Fight. And everything goes already.
You know what you do? What you do for some guy?
This is a
Go and take it back.
All frozen like rock stone. So I just 7 alone with it.
I put sand that, you know.
Eh?
Shoot in the fridge at work, you know.
Yeah.
Come on, time I never have no fridge, you know.
Yeah.
I be a fruit man for fridge as well. Yeah, kid.
Take 7
Yeah,
alone.
man, for fruit like, I'm putting juice and banana on there, you know.
This is our cane.
Cane alone, yeah.
And this is the...
Cane alone. The green coffee.
Oh, cane alone with this?
Yeah. See how I mean cane only.
Okay.
But them, we never get to write the C up on them.
Oh.
All them are just straight cane alone. The green coffee one in a small fridge.
Yeah.
Cane alone.
Yeah, you have a small fish there?
Yeah, cane alone them in a small fridge. But the full small fridge.
Joshua, pick up yourself.
Enough respect. Like and subscribe to the channel, you know. Make sure you don't like, make sure you don't subscribe.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Give thanks. Alright guys, so I got some juice. Some juices. You know, I got some cane and lime and beetroot. So I guess him not have no cane and turmeric. Or no cane and ginger. You know, so I just cane and lime I got with some cane and beetroot. So I can just work with that for the time being. And just probably come back again. So yes guys, remember please, if you're watching and you haven't liked the video, please always remember to like the video guys, you know, because as I must say, the likes is what help grow the algorithm, you know, and get more people to subscribe. So this is the reason why you see you guys always like, you know, reach 100,000 yet, because we're lack of likes, you know. So the more you guys can like it, the more literally you will get hold on. Yes guys, sorry, my phone was ringing. So yes guys, so the more you like the video, the more the algorithm, you know, recognize it and push it up. So we need to get some likes on the videos, you know. The likes them is not matching up, you know. So guys, so please remember to like the video so the algorithm can keep and recognize and keep push the video out, you know. So please always remember to like the video, you know. So if you're watching from your TV and you don't know how to do it, you can literally go on your phone, you know, and like it, you know. Or if you're in a house and you're elderly, you don't know how to do it on the TV, you can ask the younger ones, you know, that's in the house to show you how to do it, or they put a like for you on the phone, you know, to help the program grows, you know. And that's how we'll grow, literally, you know, grow step by step. So we're thanking you so much. So yes guys, so you know, the video shoot It's going to be wonderful, guys. Remember, stay tuned for that video shoot. It's this Monday is my video shoot. So yes, I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you guys looking forward also for the music video, you know. So as I say, whenever the music video is ready and everything, I will give you a date and a time whenever it's gonna be released, so you guys can go and check it out, you know, and then also you can support it. It's gonna be on all platform, you know. You can go, you know, and spend an 89 cents, you know, probably 89 or 79 cents you can buy the track for, you know, and that's how you guys can support Kino, you know. Go and buy a track, go and buy a Kino single that's gonna release, you know. Come on! So come on, XN family, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. So we're doing it positive as well too, you know. Everything is positivity, so that's the way. So my next stop, Ibo Spice. So I'm gonna get something to eat, and then Esther, and then the kids them. Let's see the time. Still our time. So yes.
Don't be silly.
Ah, Millie.
Yeah, I'm just in here and I say, yo, I mean, man, I say, oh, you watch too much Kino or something.
Yeah.
Kino. My bitch, I say, oh, yeah.
See there,
So
one
there
chiller. There, man, we think we'll pass through the healthy spot with it.
Yeah,
Yo, you remember video shoot on Monday?
Yeah? So what, I mean, bad boy go?
Yeah, man, I might video shoot now.
Okay.
You know, I'm back in the music, brother, so.
You know what time I use? Where we are shooting?
Trench Town.
Yeah, cause you come over there so long.
Yeah. Chiller Miller himself.
None of them pop balloons.
We're outside, man, eh?
I'm gonna say none of them pop balloon video.
No, but we don't really do that dating and
Yeah, one day.
yeah, we do one little. Yeah, man. I mean, Chilla Miller, man. I mean, the business signal, cartel, and yeah, man.
But you gonna say another J? That's fine.
Oh, rally so easy. Okay.
Yeah. I'm a general, them they do us still.
The man have pop balloon, man. The man have the balloon, them already.
Yeah. Me have a movie to come out there now too. We have the trailer. Matter of fact, today we have one promo. Named Cheddar. Food. Yeah, man.
Burger, man.
Yeah, almost, yeah. Yeah, see that. A burger? No, hold on. We don't want a ball. I'm going to shoot. When we want to shoot with that. We don't want like, tell him, want like a food. One.
It's a box food in one, but on not cell phone in a calabash.
Yeah, man.
Like in a calabash.
We have to buy the calabash.
I think so.
You can't get that color.
Can you get that calabash?
Yeah, come down.
I'll get that calabash.
I want to shoot with it. Yeah.
Alright.
So, you see Monday?
Yeah, we have number. Me have to do a call. Yeah, you just call me. Yeah, man.
I Logix video, no, Logix Pro.
Nah, do not. Me out there with it.
And the Lion Pride.
And the Lion Pride. That's what everyone else I do right now. You know?
Yeah.
I'll show you where we are going.
Oh, food man. Yeah, food. So I go on. Lion Pride, we in the jungle. The lions them here, them never always humble. Okay.
Me know I'm showing you this.
I tell the proof.
Yeah, it's a proof. I don't want to show it up and get your thing. You see me?
Copyright.
Copyright and then something there. Shoot this. No, I talk about the rum thing like them would have said we are promoting.
Yeah.
So I still have a weirance, you see me?
Which is right.
Yeah,
One
but we know your thing, you know.
Official, man.
Say I show people them where the spot there.
My spot, this man.
Oh.
This is my spot. You at my spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never know say them niceness there around here, sir.
Yeah. That's the man. Eh? Yeah, the spot, man.
Talk about it to them, man. Ain't the girl that talk about it.
Yeah, when him father said, you watch too much Keen and me hear me say, my friend.
Yeah.
And then he look up and say, oh, right, it's a big tattoo, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I say, man, you got need enough video shoot them on there, bro.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
May I come to come. So
Right,
you have the script and everything right and everything.
Yeah, man.
Sense.
Yeah. No, him.
General talk about what I say, me not video them.
Yeah, what I music video them, you see, man. Remember when I was...
tell you, I say, yo, I lift up with time, I say, yo, you see my boy, I chat there.
Even the time when I tell my boy, I say, boy, Timo, man. Yeah. My boy said, boy, more, let me tell you, 6. Remember the tune, I think at DeMarco and 5 Star. I'm not all of them, man. Artist. Could never to my artist. Alright, bro. Empress. Empress. Alright guys, you see the thing, you know the thing, this is how it is. So once we have this now, we're going to take on the road. So you have the CMAS, you know, strong up the body.
You said the yard, the downtown part now possible. You said the downtown part now possible, but the yard good.
You in here?
Yeah, but
Yeah, there.
Yeah. Really nice how the food one.
Sir, we love laugh.
Wow. Well, no lie, yeah. Remember that break that Ibo take? Since him take the break and come back, everything is just like up a notch more. You know? Since the break what Ibo take and then forward, it's like everything does change. Everything is up a notch. The food flavor them gone up, the burger flavor gone up, everything juice gone up. You know, we have all the hot chocolate juice as well too. Chocolate juice, not the hot chocolate, chocolate juice. Yeah, with milk. Trust me. The food is on a different level. Yeah, you come in video shoot one day. I do 3 different shoots now, morning, afternoon and evening, so.
yeah, for come the evening one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the evening one possible, man. We're bunny half, man. You know,
Alright.
no joke. Quick,
Terrace street with that one, yeah.
Poverty upon my window pane. So me just have myself and know me in a gear. Ready for the billions, I eat my claim. Car, when you gone it now got in a grave. No, to everyone that pour me feel a pain. Oh, the one when on the roof is Sheila rain. I know, silver when me say me need a change. Me see them need a change and still a change. Kina still the same. But for the paper we want it now.
Ash. Yeah. Kino still the same. We not change.
Never change.
Never change. All thing we change are clothes and shoes and money. Nothing else. All the food, all the flavor change. Better.
Any change, I must be better mindset, is it?
Alright.
Yeah.
So we change them negative
Some
thinking.
people change to the worst, but we change to the better.
Exactly.
Change to the best. Good, better, best.
Never let it rest.
Nevertheless.
Yes.
Key not tell them no stress. It's when I eat live food. Yeah, man. When
See
you
them?
eat something, you have to eat something.
Yeah. As the man say, good, better, best. Never let it rest. Until your good is better. And your better is best.
Try for don't turn the system in our graveyard. Try.
Yeah.
I for no can't stop on the beat one.
All it needs for you is just try.
Just try.
You can try.
Yeah, man is one of the
Yeah. Trailer Miller, where you said the big bowl.
You see it?
Calabash.
Look, man, things will have life in it, you live longer.
Yeah.
You eat dead food, you go dead quicker. You understand? So me not this no Burger King, and me not this no something there, nothing. I'm just saying.
Eat live food to stay alive. Right, one straight.
I don't want
No, I want to go with that. Oh, that gone.
No, what them say?
Yeah, come with this.
Yeah, man.
Mama, what's your girl? What's your name? Fufu? You don't want to say
Right, so
come on.
let me enjoy. I don't want to bite my tongue on camera for you to laugh at me.
Yeah, that's a
No, I'm not doing that.
Want to my friend over there say. Yes, sir, them already know. You wanna try to get the whole bowl. The whole bowl.
Message
Is that what like a way why him could not eat some? Is it good weed or bad weed?
Alright, listen, I'm not greedy. I am not craving. You know, just because the food. Just look at that. I'll leave some quinoa for you guys, but I don't think I'm gonna leave it anymore. Change my mind. So yeah. Sorry. Change my mind. I was leaving some, but God. I can in the next box.
Yeah, man, I'm a Viagra this.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna beat this right there, she's dead.
Yes, sir. Viagra.
Yeah?
Tell them.
She's dead. Beat this right now. How about she's dead?
One chiller Miller.
Beat me.
How was it? How was it?
Bad like it.
I lie. You're supposed to better than it. So.
I just yes or do.
Yeah.
The rice part, yes sir. What you call it again?
Quinoa.
Kiwawa.
Quinoa.
I see him thing me say, I want to do that. I see him thing me say, I want to say something. Where you say it name? That.
No, you say it there. You say it.
Kiwawa.
Kiwawa.
I see him thing.
Kiwawa. That's a new name we call it. Kiwawa.
Yeah, Kiwawa. Kiwawa them.
So that's the original rice, the healthy rice.
Oh, where we see it from? Way back.
Well, we are.
Tell us, we see it from the food channel them.
Yeah.
I am sitting there.
At the rice that we eat.
You know, we want to eat that tofu, not tofu. What you call it sitting there with the African name?
Fufu.
Fufu. Yeah, man, I want to try that. Cassava, they use make that though.
Yeah.
Cassava though.
Cassava, them use like fufu. Yeah, man, but look, from you see this, look at this trailer.
Jesus, how wait there? You not get no food? I
Adapt me, I wonder.
I'm going to forget an empty plate with gravy in it.
You know, I realize because I go up with the box.
You have to check them. I noticed my calabash just gone.
Just gone, so how them get empty calabash?
Yeah, I don't know why I sweat.
Like you say, evidence got Jamaica hot.
You know.
Because I don't know where my food gone. And my belly not look like it.
No,
it move. Look.
And to tell you the truth, people. Tell you the truth, honestly, otherwise I'm joking. Me eat it and me no miss no meat.
Don't it?
Swear to you.
No
swear
meat.
to you. You know, sometimes some food you eat and it's like sauce up. Like tuna meat and a tuna
you don't want to eat it.
People used to it. It feels sauce. This not feel sauce.
No.
Feel like everything like all. If your brain will tell you all meat in there, weird.
Nice. Yeah, weird nice. But even I never tried the breadfruit burger.
Breadfruit who?
Burger.
Them use the breadfruit as a bun?
Yes.
Never know that.
Alright, so when you eat that now, at them time you start jump a mile.
So when are the burger, when are the middle?
And a meat though. But it's all what the gun provide.
Nice.
Yes. Chickpea, but chickpea they used to make it though. You know, with all the spices and thing. Trust me.
You have to come try it one time. $1,000 pay?
Yeah.
man. Give him a keep.
You need to try that.
Yeah, give him a keep.
When you try that, it's a different thing.
I eat me here with a burger boy and you see him mash it up and bread over there, sir.
Yeah, once you try that, man, it's a different story, man.
The brother buy the burger right there, so. And by the time I reach right there, so you're done.
Yeah, of course. And that, I try to show you, it's not play.
And a breadfruit I use with the bun.
Yes, bad. Burger King now have nothing upon
No
that.
process, no process.
Nothing a process.
Bread on this, they're just this raw breadfruit, everything again. I don't teeth that.
Yeah. You can't teeth it.
Don't teeth that side.
Because they have to be the creator for create that one there. Because you don't get the same taste. You know? You can take a breadfruit and go say you're going to roast it and you're going to fry it like how him fry it. But
No, me fry it like that, but no like how him do it though.
no, we are going to put inside.
Regular fry, man. Me just island. Cause even yesterday, me have whole heap of breadfruit and planting for my property. You know.
Yeah, come and see us, see our show. Go on farm.
Yeah, man. Whole heap of pimento.
I need to come get some things off of that land. Definitely.
Maybe yesterday I cut down 2 planting. Me planting like here when I can get. Yeah, man.
Bring come on the video shoot Monday, man.
When I can get 2 planting from here.
Yeah. You know the thing goes.
I need to come up there though. When we come on a video shoot, after that we're going to link up harder. You need to come up a yard come see what.
Yeah, man, I definitely need to come do that. Well, I come up in the hills and say, anything up in the hills is always cool and nice.
You don't know it.
You know it already, yeah. You know, 1 million. Alright, you know the thing goes. 1 lion pride.
You know? Outside.
Outside. What you know?
Eat your shirt.
I'll even do. Take up the empty box. And so I go on. Take up the empty box. The way the food nice, I don't want to leave it at that.
So far, it's no question, no.
Chilla, you know say I the mother this for our dog in the yard.
Yeah, what she make me and her in a problem for her.
She the one of the big dog that we see. She not no teeth. She having braces.
Nobody have them dogs that she like. That means that she not the teeth.
Yeah.
She had look for her like.
Yeah. She only having braces. Like he must say no gum.
That's cool, I got me.
Yeah. Alright. Aye.
Yo, Martina. What
Aye.
Him never tell about the chocolate.
Of course.
Tell about
I had the chocolate.
Okay. Chocolate time.
And it's the whip. It's the add the chocolate. You get the spurly, you know. Come here, I wonder where the food gone. Got the box on it. Ibo. I wonder where the food gone. Got the box. Shed long. Quick. I wonder what go on. Did you put food in there? Did you put food in there, Ibo? Did you put food in the box? Must. I wonder what go on straight. Alright, this are the 2 juice then. Ibo. Aye. I am full, I am locked, I am loaded, I am ready to move, ready to go. Really cool enough, now like. Spirulina. It builds me confidence. So let's go pick up Esther and then head up to the kitchen. Well guys, well. So we have Esther here. Esther treat today for the kids them.
Yes.
I know when I say treat, because one of them things are hotel treat. You know. But yeah, so she's taking them out. You know, so we have to pick them up and then just head out. You know, so no, it's not a treat. Like you might be thinking about resort. No resort. No hotel. So yeah, the place, no sun is up here, as you can see. The sun is hiding. It looks like it's raining time. Like it was raining yesterday, you can see it was raining as well. See there? Place wet, so it was raining yesterday. Or probably even this morning. But there was some rain. Oh. Hey, come down now. What's wrong with you? Well, white nose. Evening. Dog, them happy. Them a go out too. You going out too? Hey, don't jump up. Don't jump up. Yeah. Yeah, I like your matching suit.
It matches my ear.
Yeah. It match your hair. That's okay.
Oh, dog, you let me catch up.
I mean, I want to sleep.
Dog, they're more happy than anything like a them a go out. You drop.
Yeah.
Hey, come. Come, sit down. Sit down. Sit, Brownie. Sit.
Okay, dad, yeah.
Oh, you know your dog asked him. What
Hey, dog say.
Give me hand and some fun. For real, I'm coming here today.
And dog asking me.
Tina, get me back, mash up my mother phone. To jump in the water.
Yeah.
So the one go all now.
Some girl back up. No. Kina, me can get other.
Hey.
No. Can you just safe key, so we got the back cook for me. I make who got the back. She said she gonna cook one and we are back and she stays back. What you doing? Oh, so she will
Wait.
I'll hurry.
we can lap up, make Ari go in a mile and Kaya go in a token. No. Yes, so we had so long, you know, Daddy. I mean, you call it a year. A year before you call him, Pastor, stop telling lies. Stop telling lies.
So the dog behave when him
I tell you, guys, the whole army out. As you can see, the whole army is out. The whole of them.
Cranberry nobody to come.
Exactly.
But friend want to come.
Which friend?
She not come. She didn't want to come. But she not.
So which one I'm going to put there?
We can't hold much less.
Right now I'm overpack.
Police
You know? Guys, pray for me because the police stop me in trouble. I think it that I'm problem. So right now I struggle. We have to go try and make it work, but as you can see, it's more than the carry you drive. So it's over carry. So come here. Mind the ship this. Mind the ship this. Huh?
I think we're not gonna water.
Oh. Okay.
I go and look at my class out this way. That's it. Look at my job key. Right, this so. Right, this so.
Let me go.
No, hold on. Yeah, don't come this way. Come, say here you are. We're not gonna eat Burger King.
Huh?
You guys at Burger King. So the whole entourage out. It look like it closed, so like the man are refurbished. Close or it open? Oh, it's open. Oh. Are the playpen them are refurbished? Yeah, man. Back a year, you know. Every 6 months. Every six months. Too much kids every 6 months. Up to the playpen. The playpen. So you can't walk to play.
Them take it off and them are checking it head.
Oh. So no more than about in the playpen. Oh. You can't separate, you know, now for sitting, everybody sitting at the whole chair. You can't separate. Some sit one place, some sit the other. So everybody run down left over there, so now. Come Tyra and talk, come over here. Tyra and Harry, come over here. Yeah? Guys, there used to be a playpen here as well, but I guess the playpen, so it's refurbishing. But there was a playpen here where they could come and play and everything. So you can see it's on a refurbishment right now. So I guess it's coming at a time when they're going to refurbish it. You know, so they might have a chance to run up and play. But I guess the playpen is so they just got refurbished it as well. So wow. So you know, that was hoping they could get the playpen so they could run up and down, you know, have some joy, some fun. You know, so that's not the case now. So they might put us eat and all that vibe. You know. So that's the playpen out there. The playpen is here, like it's on a refurbishment right here, this building here. You see. I don't know. No, sir. How much one I get for them?
Kids meal. Kids pay 148. 148.
What number that?
6.
Okay.
But then put them on a medium. Them on medium put it on a late.
Oh. You tell them to them have it? You tell them having it?
Yeah,
I them want to stand, so anyway them want to stand.
Let me get tray. That's fine. You get tray? Trays. Yeah, because they're gonna have.
We have the ads. And now the kids at them. And now the ads.
You put them in trays. Thursday, 22 jerk. It's Thursday, so guys, as I can see, this is it. This is the playpen under refurbishing right here. So I guess them said it just start refurbish. You know, so usually now this is where they go run up and down and play, but it's under refurbishing. So too bad, you know, it's only just recently in this week. Over there is 22 jerk. Also, by the way, have a live band and everything over by 22 jerk over there.
And I'm a lady.
No lady?
Yeah.
Two, 4, 6, 7. So here's the juices. Sprite, orange, grape. So Sprite, orange grape, Sprite, orange grape, and cola. Cola there. Sprite, orange grape. 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. So it's 8 of them. 8. Oh. Yeah. And here's the burgers coming. Eh? 2 tray. Two a tray. So anybody chips this one gang? Nana, how much burger you want? How much burger you want? Yeah. How much burger you can eat? I don't know. 2? You can't manage 2. Yeah, manage 2. Yeah. Yes guys, so yeah man. So the thing set.
A lot of presents for people and give me small.
What is that? Does that look enough see on you?
No, but them give me extra.
Oh.
You know, I'm a school meeting.
Okay. So there's the other acts.
Then I put it at them.
Feast. Oh Burger King, oh Burger King, oh Burger. You see one Burger King? One burger? Come back up here. Nuggets? Did I get nuggets too? Nuggets fries. Can I say she'll get nuggets too? Esther? So the nuggets in that one. You want nuggets there? Tara, you want burger? Or you want to go home? Don't call my phone. Come, sit up. Put on them crowns.
Yeah. Alright. Can extend. Tara, I'm telling you, Tara. Tara will not extend. You make it wider. Yeah, I will fix already. Alright, come over here. So much on one side. That's why we never want him so close. Yeah. Alright, then can come over here so cheer them. Because them now can't manage. Yeah, like that's it. How much tray over there? Or you can't use other tray. You have one extra one over here, sir.
Yeah.
How much over there, sir?
Extra one, 5.
You get extra. Extra.
Me, I'm not going to miss the extra.
Look, man. So the control, let's see, I want this little man. Then Toko, Harry, and Chili.
Them left the command cheap.
So now we're gonna catch up here. Catch up here. What drink you want? Tara, this is yours.
Them like look come with cheap baby them. This man on there.
I will come another general. Let's try. Enjoy. No one more burger? I don't care only one. One? They don't eat up what? Nuggets? Yeah. Nuggets? You can't even eat up this as well.
Oh, don't eat one.
Me eating it all. So, Toko, one is for you and one is for Tara, okay? Let's have a straw. You want Coca-Cola or you want grape? Which one? Okay? Coca-Cola? Alright. Today. For you. That is for you. That is for you.
laboratory. Gonna have more space. Next we have chips in this.
So you had a peanut?
Oh, you tired.
No, it's a pie.
Kino 8. I tell food already. What that?
Pie,
Hershey's
pie.
pie, chocolate. What's that? Hershey's pie, chocolate.
It's mine. You like burger?
Hershey's pie.
You can't get the burger.
Get again at it, kids.
Chili fries.
Eh?
Chili fries.
Oh, chili fries. Yeah, I've got them in it, man. Kids, man, I've got them in it, guys. Yeah, I've got them in it. Sarah, where's your burger? Oh. Come. Time to go. Alright guys, so it's time for them to go home now. They have a wonderful burger meal. They all mash up the burger. Who took out the back? Come on back this side. Them. No left back.
Egg mashed.
Go for. This car is like a tanker. Trust me, when it lowered, it is like a tanker. Eh?
All good things must come to an end. Yeah, why not?
Alright guys, I'm gonna come thank Esther for the Burger King. So I want to say thank you Esther for the Burger King. Come on.
Thank you, Esther, for the Burger King.
And may God bless you.
May God bless you.
Okay, when you say ice cream now? You wish.
When I get too wild, I have to go home now. Can't manage it. Listen, now, you're not mad me.
It's home time now.
When you're not mad at me.
I'm ready.
Ready to get wild. Mad?
Yes, I.
The bigger.
Stand up and viral on Lindsay Machine page.
Eh?
On him TikTok page.
Is it gone viral?
He did about 500,000 views and about 15,000.
Ah.
And on IG the 100,000.
That is it.
I video more on the but
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, we know a thing already. Time, you know? General. Yeah. Alright guys, so yes man, so finally we're home, you know, they're home safe, you know, we give thanks, you know, safe journey back home, you know, bringing them in the tanker. Now everyone have a wonderful time, you know, they're back home, represent them Burger King, you know, them Burger King acts, you know, as you can see them, you know, them Burger King acts. And I never want to come home yet. And tell me I'm not going away, she don't want to go home.
The part where it's that I'm too tired. We go where I do.
Alright then, bye Nana, bye. Yeah, go on that car now.
Sometimes you want.
It's getting dark now as well, guys. Very dark. We got a full moon. And you. And you. And there's a full moon, guys. Well full. While
Come here.
Much for the shit today, yes? Down here now. Yo, no, go on. Well, I'm so excited. Yeah. Esther, watch that this one. You see it?
Yeah.
That come like a dog shit. Miami then again. Them one beard, the dog them. Frownsy. Brother, charge a party. Yeah.
You didn't order so nice? Why is it big?
When I go to
When I bank from the bank.
I tell next I want
You didn't tell me?
Yeah, I want
No,
to give
different one in the way. No.
The one I want to find keep the tree.
Oh, that's the outer one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, that one is sweet. Give no sweet. Two of them out there are sweet. Two of them. I give them children around there, so I start getting a little rain now, man. It's so weird. Sweet.
I took the rain fall yesterday. Oh, yesterday.
Today.
So hope you stay yesterday. Like holiday.
Yeah, yesterday full, man, but to the river there them come dirty.
Oh, river come down. Come down yesterday. From the Independence Day. From the holiday.
Cranberry with February.
Yeah.
I don't say sun come back out warm and we are just to the river that come down.
Yeah.
The river that come down, man. But the sun they come back out warm and we are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, say all the foot.
Yeah, man.
Verbal man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The food really have performed, man. Yeah, man.
The eye drops it done?
No, it's not done.
Okay.
So two of them they have I just the thing almost done. The one that we use
Now the foot?
No, the one that we use
on the cut?
No, the next I do one when we use inside of the tongue.
Okay.
Yeah, that one there.
Oh, that one done? Okay. I gotta tell him. I tell him soon. Yeah. But the foot are come on better and everything.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so that lock up. Okay. Yeah. Lock up. The first we see without socks and them something there.
Yeah, because over man, I put on a socks on.
Get some breeze as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, product working. Yeah, yeah, so him said the foot a lock up, you see, the man without socks and things, so it's just at the internal one that you got in the tongue down.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell him and get back one for you. Yeah, big up yourself, yeah, everything is working. Big up the thing working, you know. Because people then say you look much better as well to everything, you know, by taking the purifier and them something there. I said the aim is to get you off the insulin, you know. Because remember say you can't come off of the insulin, you know. But you have to take the thing on time, so your body will eventually come off. So once you take the thing on time, consistent with it, and say you find yourself, and say you find yourself don't have to use the insulin anymore. You see me? So that's the whole point, to get you off of that. So I make you know, so you go on good panda kind of thing, you know. Alright then, kids, we are going on. No, not for it's night. Naga River?
No.
What's supposed to cool now?
Night? I will come home so late. I will never see him well.
So now go swim?
Yeah. And even night, no. Me
it's night.
I even.
It's night, no. Yeah. So, Nine are really a fan of the water, you know. Nana, you go swim.
Go down there?
Eh?
Tyra and Toko?
Yeah, man, Tyra and Toko come like water, man. I came late. I'm going to go.
I love it, man. No, we are boss head cool. Alright then.
Get boss from my head.
Hey, look your head.
Tara and Tara head.
Look your head.
Safe journey.
Alright then, later. Charge, you know the thing go?
We are going to give you that now.
Should I give her a hug?
Yes. Safe journey.
Yeah.
Safe journey. Exactly.
So the one downstairs still on the...
Yeah, the one out. Yeah, man.
That one, the one that is very cheap.
Yeah. Later, Nana.
Yeah.
Wait, what that's all?
Yeah, no, that's alright.
Which one?
The one in the jelly tree or that's alright.
That the one more water, man. That's steely,
Yeah.
One more water, Esther. Alright, dogs, later. You can relax now, right? Mind the drop, Esther. Alright then. Alright, no relax now. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Alright then. Later. And dog get excited. Run. I run left them down the hill like the picnic them. You mind not stepping at that right there, so. You see it? Mind not stepping at that. Watch out. At the dog, man. You see how? Oh, so when I go? When you go? Oh, you follow the miss? Okay.
Where come to daddy do?
No. Too late now.
Not the scare we know.
Yeah.
Stop.
Look at me take a river for you.
Yeah.
Now you swim late. You got the road.
Yeah.
How far at this?
Tyra, she eat it run over.
Oh, she eat it.
Everyone around us.
Mm-hmm.
Eat it like this. Look at her.
I love Tyra.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, we're treading in, the place getting dark before Esther can't see. Then she go drop in the dark and the camera can't catch it. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.